What's up, big backs? It's me, Jeffy. Today we're doing the spicy ramen Talkis fire and ice mukbang. And I've been looking forward to this one for a while. And I haven't eaten in 20 minutes, so I am starving and I can't wait to dig into this. Leave a like on the video and comment down below which Talkis is your favorite. Me? I'm going to start with the ice. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, I wish you guys could taste how good it is. Let me get some tacos. Oh, so good! All right, let's move on to the fire. That ice was really good. Oh, so good. Oh, that is amazing. Let's get some Talkis. Crunch them up. Alright, now I'm gonna combine the fire and the ice. They're even better when you combine them. The fire and the ice, guys. I would recommend doing this recipe at home. Maybe the ice is my favorite. So good. Oh, Junior, get in here. You want to try some?